Hi everyone. Today in our section or our session, we'll talk a little bit about the distributive law to know how it's work. Okay, so it is used when the distributive law when we seek to find, for example, in detail, the algebraic term of a given, for example, algebraic expressions without any parentheses and brackets and this one. So first of all, we should know the definition, okay, of this law. The distributive law is used to expand, so to have more, to show more in detail in algebraic expressions that involve a grouping symbol. What we mean by grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and so on. Okay, so normally how to expand? So A by B, we have a times here, multiplication, plus minus, again A by C. Normally, like we have A should multiply all the terms inside the parentheses or the grouping symbols. And we should know also when we multiply different signs, we'll obtain a minus, say. And if we multiply the same signs, okay, we'll obtain a plus, A. So instead of, for example, sometimes we need to change plus with two minuses for example, to simplify our work, okay? So we should know that it is beneficial to expand or multiply and get rid of parentheses first, then collect like terms. So how to expand in an easy way for me is to multiply, first of all, to multiply signs of two terms involved. Secondly, multiply the numerical parts, signs, numerical part or coefficient, and finally the pronumerals. Let's have some examples. For example, 2x cubed by 4x 5 minus 5y. So first of all, we multiply signs. Plus, we have a plus, so we'll obtain a plus. 2 by 4, it is an 8. X cubed x5, when we have same bases, so normally we add the exponent. 3 by 5 is 8. Secondly, again, plus and minus, we will obtain a minus. 2, 5, we'll obtain a 10. And x cubed by y, we don't have same bases, so normally we put them one before the other, so x cubed by y. So it is the practical way to expand and to show how the distributive law work. Expand easy also to simplify and to expand, for example, minus. So a minus and a plus, it is a minus 2x cubed. The minus and minus, it is a plus 3y. Okay, for example, also minus and the minus, it is a minus 10 by 5, it is a 15p. And minus by minus, the plus 10 by 2, 20q. We don't have a pronumeral here, we have a pronumeral here, so it is a q. So also it is easy to, for example, sometime after expanding and when we are getting rid of grouping symbols like parentheses, for example here, we obtain some like terms, like these two terms are like terms because we have the same variables inside. We have a and a. So 10a plus 6a, it is like 10 plus 6, it is 16, but 16a. Okay, we can, for example, merge and add the like terms or subtract them. And in the same way, I can work with this one. For example, we have a like terms here and like terms here. So 14 plus 9, it is 23a, and minus 21 plus 12, we can merge them or add them or subtract them to obtain minus 9b. So be free to, for example, do by yourself and assess your information with the rest of the exercises. And also when we want, for example, to simplify and to, for example, to simplify some addition or sum of two algebraic fractions. So we have m/3, m plus 5/4. We find the common denominator. It is easy. The easiest way is to multiply. For example, we multiply the first one by 4 by 4 and the second one by 3 by 3 to obtain the LCD, the lowest common denominator between 3 and 4 is 12. So first of all, we write the equivalent fractions, equivalent fraction with the LCD of the first denominators, and then we add after expanding using the law distributive, the distributive law, for example, 3m plus 15, and if we have a like terms, we can merge them or add them. 4m plus 3m is 7m, and so on. So these are the important and the crucial information about this lecture. Thank you for listening, and bye-bye.